Hi guys, it's Katie. I'm doing some reviews today with Shears of Hollywood. I have this very different style to what I would normally do. This is a black and multicolour snake print heel. So I'm excited to do this for you. Look at these colours already popping out. It's nice and bright. And here it is. It's got a very big ankle strap here. And then it's also got some packaging. Here we are. I'm gonna have to undo this little strap. Oh yes, it goes around my ankle. Sometimes they can be a little bit tough when they are new. Oh. Here we go. Perfect. There is one. Let's pop it on. I might just roll this up for the video so you can see. And I'll do that up like that. I probably could go one tighter, but I don't want it to be too tight where I don't have any movement in my ankle. So that is one. And let's undo the second one. Undo this little clip. Roll my leggings up for this video just so you can see the ankle strap. We might do it up on this hole. This one could also be tighter, but it's fine for the purpose of this. And here we are. I feel so tall with these ones. The colours are nice and bright. Let's see if the sun's outside. See you soon. Okay guys, we're outside. It's a bit of a cooler day. Okay guys, we are back inside. So I actually didn't measure how high these heels were, so I'm going to go ahead and take them off and do some measuring, because they do have quite a little, they're quite steep, this heel, so let's have a look and see how high they actually are. Let's have a look. Okay, so these ones look like they are a 7-inch heel. A very, very thin gap in between here. Look at that. Very, very tricky. Like I've got lots of experience in heels. Oh no, my tape measure. Hopefully that stays. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We do really appreciate the support, and it is what makes these videos happen. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the review. See you next time.